A couple of months ago, Elgato dropped one of the biggest updates to Elgato mics, which was the voice focus effect, completely eliminating background noise, enhancing your voice and everything else with one single tap. And now they're not just limiting it to Elgato mics, they're bringing it to every single microphone in the world, which means voice focus is now available to everybody. There'll be chapters on the timeline and in the description if you want to skip ahead. I'm going to show you how to install everything on both Windows and on Mac, and then show you how well it works using third-party mics as well as with Elgato stuff, and also a very secret thing that I don't think is actually being told to people who buy this VST, and it is a complete game changer. But anyway, here's how you can get it for yourself. Head over to the Elgato marketplace and search for voice focus. Here, you'll be able to check out the VST itself before buying it, select the platform, and then it's as simple as copying your license key, which is something we'll revisit in a second, and then downloading it. Once the download has finished, you're going to want to take that VST, which should be in your downloads folder, and you're going to want to put it in your VST folder. Now, this varies from Windows to Mac, so let's go through Windows first. You're going to want to navigate to this folder that is on screen now. I will put this in the description as well. And then it's as simple as dragging the VST that you've downloaded, dropping it in there, and that's it. For Mac users, it's a little bit more complicated. You're going to want to open up Finder, which is your Explorer window, and then you're going to go up to the top where it says Go. Go down to Go to Folder, and then you'll be asked to put in the directory. This on screen is where you're going to want to go to. Again, this will be in the description. And then just like with Windows, you're going to drag and drop that VST into the folder, and then you're done. If you already have Wavelink open, you can go ahead and restart that, and it will load the VST automatically. Doesn't matter what platform you're on. Then go ahead and add a new source. Select your microphone. Doesn't matter which microphone it is. Go down to the effects, Elgato, and then voice focus. You'll be prompted to put in that license key, so if you've forgotten it, then just go back to the Elgato marketplace and you can find it there again. Paste it in here, and then voice focus is activated on any microphone that you'd like. And of course, you don't have to use Wavelink if that's not something you want to do. I'll make a whole video showcasing how to use alternate software at some point in the future, but for now, that is the simplest way of doing things. Okay, so this is what the dinky little lav microphone sounds like without any adjustments whatsoever, and then I'm actually going to go ahead and turn on voice focus in real time, and hopefully you'll be able to hear a little bit of a difference. So voice focus is now on, and what you may notice is that the background noise is dramatically reduced. My voice is a little bit more prominent. And now let me show you one of the coolest features. I got the biggest fan I could find. Now I have no idea where to put it. Okay, so what you'll be able to hear is all the fan noise in the background as this thing starts spinning and doing its thing. It's pretty damn windy, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on voice focus live, no editing, nothing like that, and voila. So we've now turned voice focus on, and what should be happening is complete noise isolation from the fan, or at least very close to it. There's a bit of processing, there's some AI-powered stuff, but essentially this little USB mic that plugs in through a transmitter, you now don't have to worry about the background noise and things like that. So everything that I covered in my original Elgato Wave Link voice focus video, I'll put a link in the description to that, it applies to every single microphone in the world. Okay, here's another example. This is another budget-friendly USB-C mic, and we're just plugging it, again, straight into the laptop, into Audacity, and I'm going to go ahead and turn voice focus on. Again, nothing other than just a simple on-off switch inside of Wavelink, and of course, you can use external software if that's something you want to do. We'll talk about that in a second, how to set all that stuff up. This is what the microphone sounds like when you're sat in a wind tunnel, apparently. And then if we go ahead and turn voice focus on, what you should be able to notice is that all those nasty, windy sounds just disappear. Now, one final test is this guy right here. This is the Elgato Wave Neo. It is Elgato's most budget mic. And the benefit of choosing Elgato's mics is the fact that you don't actually have to pay for the VST. Voice focus is automatically included in the Wavelink software when you choose to get an Elgato mic. So not only do you get this super overpowered VST, but you get a really high quality microphone that can be used with laptops, desktops, and of course mobile devices like your phone or your iPad. So this is what the Wave Neo sounds like without any adjustments whatsoever, and we'll turn on voice focus. Bam, voice focus is now turned on. You should be able to hear a bit of a difference. Now let's do the test with the fan. I feel like this is windier than last time. This is what the Wave Neo sounds like with voice focus turned off, and there's a fan right here, and in real time, yet again, we're going to turn it on, and you should be able to hear quite a dramatic difference as we switch voice focus on, and it completely gets rid of all that background noise. You see, the thing is, we live in a world where audio is essential for everything we do as content creators. It doesn't matter whether you're making YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram, Reels. Audio is by by far one of the most essential things that you need, not only to maintain an audience, but also show people that you are willing to make content that is a high quality. And yes, there are budget microphones out there that sound great, even like the Wave Neo. There'll be an affiliate link down in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. And one of the coolest things that I should probably mention is that you can actually apply all of these effects in post with the VST. So essentially, you could do a little run and gun recording. You could go vlogging out in the wild, come back home, stick that audio into Audacity or Adobe Audition, something like that, and then apply voice focus after recording. I think that's definitely something worth mentioning, even for people who have voice focus natively in Wavelink. If you get the VST, you can now apply those effects anytime you want. It doesn't have to be during your recording session. Okay, you should be able to hear that I have the fan on and the audio is going a bit crazy. I'm in Audacity right now. I'm just going to go ahead and do a little recording. So let's do... Hey, what's going on? This is an audio test coming from the Elgato Wave DX. Hopefully it sounds pretty good, even with the background noise. Okay, I just turned the fan off and we can hear, if we go ahead and play this back. Hey, what's going on? This is an audio test coming from the Elgato Wave DX. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. That's miles better. Awesome. Okay, now the only thing that you may want to do here, because the processing removes some of that volume, you can then go to volume and compression, go to amplify, and then just bump it up a little bit, maybe just like 3-4 decibels, something like that. Just makes it a bit louder. So that's the after. And if we go all the way back to the beginning. Hey, what's going on? This is an audio test coming from the Elgato Wave DX. Hopefully it sounds pretty good, even with the background noise. But again, the fact that you can just vlog with your iPhone, just take that audio, apply the effects in post, and not have to worry about half of the background noise and the leveling and everything else that comes with audio editing and engineering, that's pretty great. And I love just having a one-click solution to pretty much all of my problems when it comes to vocal audio recordings. Makes my life a lot easier. But that's pretty much it. I got early access to this, but I still need to edit the video in an hour to get it out for launch. Let me know what you think of this, because I think it's a really, really cool idea. The fact that you are not limited to buying Elgato's products to be able to get the features like voice focus. The fact that they're making this available for everybody, regardless of whether you want to use Wavelink and Elgato's mics or not, it's a really great step forward. Leave some comments and questions if you want to know anything about this VST down below. There'll be links to this microphone, the Wave Neo, and some others by Elgato, as well as the software, the VST, in the description down below, so you can check everything out for yourself. If I had one recommendation for Elgato, it would be to give people an option to try all this. If they have a USB mic, let them try it for 7 days, 14 days, and figure out whether or not they want to invest into it, because £40 for a VST, it's kind of expensive. I think it's worth it, personally. Being able to apply these effects in post, dude, that's huge. It saves me so much time in editing, rather than trying to fine-tune every single thing as I go. I can just slap on the VST and it's good to go. That alone is enough for me, but it is kind of pricey. So I think if you give people an option to try it, see if it works well with their workflow and their audio setup, it could be really beneficial. But anyway, I'm going to wrap this one up here. Thank you to Elgato for sending this out to me early. There'll be a lot more Elgato videos coming out this month because they are going crazy on the content, and of course I want to get involved with it. I love your faces, you're amazing, beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one.